Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Okay, today we are going to test something. You see, now we can really see anything. Okay, this is my 5 days old seeding, and no doubt I have placed netting. However, for some reason they may still have some creepy crawler over here. Okay, I really lost focus already. I don't know why. Okay, let's see here. Okay, so you can see the creepy crawler all over here, and I need to find something called snails, because you can see over here one. Is it? No, I can't see any snails over here. Okay. Okay, so the snails like to come out at night, and actually morning is the best lah, but I cannot come out in the morning. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to treat them. Okay, so you see over here gonna eaten by the snail or some leaf binding ants, I don't know. Okay, is this one? I caught one snail. Okay, so our target over here is we are not going to find them. So we are going to treat them. Genki. Sorry, not Genki. Okay, I'm just making use of this recycle chawamushi cup from Genki sushi. So I need this. So what we are going to do is we are going to, since we found, oh, there's one more snail over here. Is it a cone snail? Is it a cone snail? Yeah, drop in already. Yeah, correct. There's one more cone snail. I saw it, but it just lost somewhere inside. Okay, never mind. So since today is like, Wednesday. So Wednesday means what? Ladies' night. So ladies' night means what? Must have gathering and party, right? So we are going to treat them beer. Okay, so first of all, I don't know whether it will work or not, but it's still worth a try. Yeah, so got ants over here. Okay, the picture is a bit blurry lah, because of light issue. Okay, so I'm just going to bury this thing inside here. So I know you got a lot of plots, a lot of land area over here, but I'm just trying to test this experiment. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to dig up. I forgot to bring my spade, and I know some of my plot mate, they have a spade over here, but nevertheless we will just use this to dig up a hole. Yeah, I can use hand, I know. So careful not to disturb the rest of the seedings over here. And yeah, so I believe this might be enough to bury this in. Okay, so we are going to top up this with beer, and before that let me just wash the debris away first. So the good point is we have a water point over here. Okay, so it's like you still got side over here. I don't know more already. Big splash. Yeah, good point about high pressure. Okay, so we are going to put this thing inside here and bury this thing nicely. I foreseen that there might not have rain tonight, so we just don't cover them. So secure them with the rest of your soil over here. Yeah, you can see. Okay, now so secure them back in. Okay, and next thing you are going to share your beer with them, and